Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Business English. Medical field.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are usually used in the medical field.
We will also give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary. Checkup. It is a thorough examination to make sure that there is nothing wrong with your health. Checkup. Here's an example.
Don't forget, we will have our annual general checkup tomorrow.
Yes, I'll be there tomorrow.
Diagnosis. It is the identification of the nature of an illness or other problem. Diagnosis. Here's an example.
Come back tomorrow so I can tell you the diagnosis of your test.
Thank you, doctor. What time should I come?
Prescription. It is the written instruction by a doctor that authorizes a patient to be provided a medicine. Prescription. Here's an example.
Can you show me the prescription from your doctor?
Ah, yes. Let me just get it in my bag.
Side effects. It refers to unpleasant additional effects when taking a medicine. Side effects. Here's an example.
Did you feel any side effects from your new medicines?
No, I didn't feel anything wrong.
Biopsy. It refers to removing a small sample of the potentially cancerous cells or tissue for analysis. Biopsy. Here's an example.
I'm here for a biopsy test, scheduled at 3 p.m.
Okay, let me check. You may sit first.
Benign. It means it is not cancer and will not spread to other parts of your body. Benign. Here's an example.
I just want to bring good news. The test results just came in, and it is benign.
Wow, thank you so much. Does it mean I can go home soon too? Surgery. It refers to a procedure performed for the purpose of structurally altering a body. Surgery. Here's an example. The surgery is successful. You may bring him to the recovery room now.
Copy, doc. Congratulations.
Physical therapy. It refers to special exercises to help recover normal function of your body. Physical therapy. Here's an example.
I won't be here tomorrow. My mother wants me to bring her to her physical therapy.
No problem. I'll just let you know if something came up.
Second opinion. It means to consult a different doctor. Second opinion. Here's an example.
I think it's time to consider having a second opinion from a different doctor.
I think you're right. Tomorrow, I'll try to find a better one.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Don't forget, we will have our annual general tomorrow.
Letter A. Checkup.
Letter B. Benign.
Letter C. Side effects.
The correct answer is letter A. Checkup. Don't forget, we will have our annual general checkup tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow so I can tell you the of your test.
Letter A. Surgery.
Letter B. Prescription.
Letter C. Biopsy.
The correct answer is letter B. Prescription. Come back tomorrow so I can tell you the diagnosis of your test.
Can you show me the from your doctor?
Letter A. Physical therapy.
Letter B. Benign.
Letter C. Prescription. The correct answer is letter C. Prescription. Can you show me the prescription from your doctor? Did you feel any from your new medicines?
Letter A. Side effects.
Letter B. Checkup.
Letter C. Surgery.
The correct answer is letter A. Side effects. Did you feel any side effects from your new medicines?
I'm here for a test scheduled at 3 p.m.
Letter A. Second opinion.
Letter B. Biopsy.
Letter C. Prescription.
The correct answer is letter B. Biopsy. I'm here for a biopsy test, scheduled at 3 p.m.
I just want to bring good news. The test results just came in and it is.
Letter A. Physical therapy.
Letter B. Prescription.
Letter C. Benign. The correct answer is letter C. Benign. I just want to bring good news. The test results just came in and it is benign. The is successful. You may bring him to the recovery room now.
Letter A. Surgery.
Letter B. Side effects.
Letter C. Second opinion.
The correct answer is letter A. Surgery. The surgery is successful. You may bring him to the recovery room now.
I won't be here tomorrow. My mother wants me to bring her to her.
Letter A. Prescription.
Letter B. Physical therapy.
Letter C. Biopsy.
The correct answer is letter B. Physical therapy. I won't be here tomorrow. My mother wants me to bring her to her physical therapy.
I think it's time to consider having a from a different doctor.
Letter A. Checkup.
Letter B. Prescription.
Letter C. Second opinion. The correct answer is letter C. Second opinion. I think it's time to consider having a second opinion from a different doctor.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.